In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail not sending notifications to my phone. First, let's start by turning on your phone notifications. This is crucial because if notifications are disabled, you won't receive alerts from Gmail. To do this, open the Settings app on your phone. You can usually find the Settings icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. As you tap on it, a menu will appear with various options. This is where you will make adjustments that can enhance your experience with notifications. Once you are in the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Apps. This section allows you to manage all the applications installed on your device. Scroll through the list until you find the Gmail app. Tapping on it will take you to the app-specific settings where you can customize how Gmail behaves on your phone. This is important because it ensures that you have control over the notifications you receive. Now, after selecting Gmail, you'll see the Notifications option. Tap on it to access the notification settings for the Gmail app. Here you will find various settings that control how and when you receive notifications. It is essential to check this area because sometimes notifications may be turned off inadvertently. Next, turn on Allow Notifications. This toggle must be enabled for you to start receiving alerts from Gmail. When you switch this on, your phone will begin notifying you of incoming emails and updates. You might see a confirmation message indicating that notifications are now active. This ensures that you stay updated without having to check your email constantly. Once that is done, it's a good idea to check for any additional notification settings within the Gmail app itself. Sometimes you may want to customize what types of notifications you receive. You can find options for different categories of emails like promotions or social updates. This customization allows you to prioritize the notifications that matter most to you. After adjusting the settings in the main app settings, let's head back to the Gmail app. Open it and tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. This action opens the side menu where you can find various sections of the app. It's crucial to explore this menu because it gives you access to different features and settings that enhance your email experience. From the side menu, scroll down and select Settings. Here you'll find settings related to your email account. This is where you can manage how Gmail interacts with your device. Ensuring these settings are correct is vital for receiving timely notifications. Now, look for your email address in the Settings menu and tap on it. This will lead you to the specific settings for your account. Within these options, you will find further notification preferences. You can select which types of emails you want to be notified about. Adjusting these settings can help reduce unnecessary notifications and focus on what's important. Now that you have everything set up, it's time to test the notifications. Send yourself a test email from another account. This step is important because it verifies that your settings are working correctly. If you receive the notification on your phone, you can be assured everything is set up properly. If you still don't receive notifications, revisit the settings to ensure everything is correctly configured. Sometimes minor adjustments may be needed. Remember, staying updated with your emails is essential for effective communication. This concludes our guide on fixing Gmail not sending notifications to your phone. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you stay connected.